Hello, my name is Gareth Kane, and welcome to this 1-minute lesson from Me2You English. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the difference between fun, funny, and happy. Firstly, fun means enjoyable or something you like to do. So maybe you think playing football is fun, or maybe you think going shopping is fun. Next we have funny. So funny is something that makes you laugh. So maybe you could say the joke was funny, or the comedy was funny. Finally, we have happy, and happy is a good feeling. So maybe spending time with your family makes you happy, or eating ice cream might make you happy. That is your 1-minute lesson. I hope to see you again soon.